Hello guys, in this tutorial we will focus on the new concept, and our concept is that we will see how you can change the background as well as how you can hide the sprite. So these two things we will see here. Again I repeat, we will see on how you can change the background as well as how you can hide the sprite also. And while doing coding, the main thing is that your concept should be clear. So once it is clear, then you can utilize that experience while doing a project by your own. Suppose once you understood how you can change background, how you can hide the sprite, then that experience you can use it when you do the project by your own. Okay, so now we start. First I am deleting this sprite and I would like to add the background. So this background, the background name is bedroom 1 that I am adding. So this is the background, and for adding sprite, as you know, this option you have to select, and here I am searching the sprite. So I am selecting this one, wizard, and one more sprite I am going to add. This one. So I have added back to back two sprites. This boy direction I want to change, so just select this block, go into the costume sector, and here flip section. So now it's okay. So you can change the size if you want. Now I want to go in the coding section. So first I would like to add basic conversation between them. So as you are already familiar, first you have to select flag, because after clicking on this flag particular action will be happen. And then for doing the conversation, there is a look section. Here I am adding the text. So here the text is, hi, how are you my boy? So it will run for 2 seconds. We will check it out, and then this conversation will go for 2 seconds. So here also you have to add flag. So once the flag will be clicked, both the object will run. So here you have to write wait. It is in control section. The wait should be for more than 2 seconds, because previous conversation is for 2 seconds. So here you have to insert flag for more than 2 seconds, that is for 3 seconds. And after 3 seconds you can add the text. Fine. So fine, but you promise me for gift on my birthday. So I just check it out whether it is running properly or not. So this is the conversation. Now I am going into wizard section, and here that person, that sprite again should wait for the specific time. So here the timing was 2 seconds. So it should wait for 3 seconds again. So I am going into the control section. Wait should be for 3 seconds, and then it will speak. Okay, wait a second. So this is their conversation. Now one more time we will check whether it's going properly or not, whether their timing is managing or not. So once it is done, this person is going to give gift to him, and that gift is nothing but he is shifting him in the space area. So means the background will be changed. So for adding background, first I will add the event in this section only. So first here we have to specify the initial background. So background part will be in the look section because it is related with the look, and we are going to change the code of background. So initially it will be in bedroom 1, and here I should add one more background. So background section I am going, and here you can search the suitable. Here I want the moon background, so just double click there. Initially there will be a background of bedroom, and then it needs to wait. So in the wait section control I need, because what happen here, when we click on the flag, then all the three event will run. So initially it will be switch on bedroom immediately, bedroom background, and then it should wait till that both the conversation will be over. So here in the wizard it has taken 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7 second, and he has taken 7 plus 5, around 12 second they have taken for completing their conversation. So here I am writing wait 13 second, and after that once he has completed promise, then that person will speak something, and that code is nothing but in look section. And then that person will speak, this is your gift, bye bye. Now what happened, now we will check the conversation. So here the conversation is going properly, but here after waiting the time I want to switch the background. Okay, so here after wait we have to go into the look section and switch background. So here I am selecting by default moon. So what happen in this coding, when the flag is clicked, there will be conversation, initially bedroom background, and after the finishing conversation, means after wait 13, background will be changed and that person will say this is your gift, bye bye. Now we check. Then second boy will talk, and he will talk, and then after that, means after 13 seconds, you see the background will be changed, this is your gift, bye bye. And once that, here I am changing timing, I am writing suppose here 3 seconds, then after putting this message, that particular wizard will go out. So for that, in the look section I have to search hide, means that person will be hidden. Now once again we will check the code, and here in place of 13 I am writing 12 seconds. Now I am checking code. So whenever you run the program, means whenever you do the coding, frequently you have to check running stage. So now their conversation is going to over, and now they will switch into the space section, space background. So this is your gift, bye bye. That person is hidden. Here the drawback is that once again if you run the program second time, that person will not come, that sprite will not come. So what happen, you have to use after hide show control. Here it says show section is here, so that block you have to write here, and then you have to run the program. So what happen, once it is hidden, when you run next time, that person will be shown. So now I am running code. You are getting original background, how are you? Fine, but you promised me gift. Okay, wait a second, now background will change after few seconds. This is your gift, bye bye. Now this person has gone. When you run next time, that person will come back. So this is your code, and in this code you learn how the two sprite will communicate and how their background will change at runtime, as well as you learn how that sprite will be hidden and how it will come back again. So in this all the process, two important thing happen, their background got changed and the sprite got hidden, and then when we run again suppose it will come back. So this two part is important, this show, hide, and this switch. So again I repeat you, when you click on the flag, then all three flags will start running. But once their conversation will be over, as here is a wait control, means it will wait for 12 seconds, and after 12 seconds this background will be changed and it will say something for 3 seconds, and there is a hide meaning is that that sprite will be hidden. And here we need show. Why we have written show? Because once we click on the flag, that person will appear because it was hidden. So here this statement wait 12 second is important. We have written here 12 because these two sprites have taken around 12 seconds for their conversation. And here initially we use bedroom 1 because when you run the program, it should take the background first one, that is bedroom 1, and after 12 seconds the background should be changed and sprite will say something and then it will be hide. So here that wait control is very important. So that wait, you have to set the time according to the conversation they have got over. So I hope dear student you understood this coding and you have to practice now in your activity part, and after practice only you will get perfection. And while doing coding, you have to try, you have to check your output step by step so that it will help you to understand the coding, and you can use this experience while doing the own project from your side. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.